is this? Oh, it's got chocolate. Maybe that's Oreo. And cream and sweet potato.
I want to hit freezer. I want to toast it. I want to eat it.
This one is the sweet potato boil, and then I think they, what you call it, they break it into flour or crumb.
I want it.
And then I think this is the powder, the potato chip, and this is the sweet potato cream. And underneath, inside, it's just cream. And there is maybe chocolate or Oreo biscuit.
I want it.
So when we arrived at Himeji Station, we our girls were complaining that they were hungry, so we decided to eat whatever is available at Himeji Station. It's a big station, so there's a lot of shopping. There is actually a shopping center outside of the station. So it was cold. Even though it's sunny, I think the maximum degrees is 15 today, but it's a lot colder because of the wind. So we decided to have buckwheat noodle, which is soba. They serve hot and cold, so we all order 3 portions, and altogether it cost us about like 25 Australian dollar, which is really good. It's feed the whole family and we're all full. And then after that, instead of walking to the castle, catching a bus to the castle, we decided to walk so we can walk off what we just ate. And as we walk toward to the castle, I come across this purple sweet potato. This dessert looks so cute and looks so yummy. I love sweet purple potato, so I decided to have it, and which is well, I'm glad that I did because it tastes so good. It's creamy, lot of cream inside. It have the bottom bit is cornflake, and then the cream, and then sweet potato, and then chocolate, and then sweet potato cream, and then sweet potato powder. Overall, it's a very good dessert. It costs 780 yen, and I quite enjoy it. It's not overly sweet as well, so very good dessert. The dessert, instead of giving us a spoon, is have a shovel. So it's like a flower pot. They call it sweet purple potato flower pot, and instead of a spoon I get a shovel. Now I finished all, and it's so cute. I don't want to throw it away. Ahead of us is the Himeji Castle. There's still a lot of autumn color here in Osaka. I'm a little bit gutted. I still have food on my lips. I'm a bit gutted that I could not bring the drone to Japan. The only reason is because it's very hard to drone anywhere in Japan because there are so many people. Plus, I think the drone rule is you have to join in. There's a lot of no drone on the map, so therefore we decided not to, because it's just too much trouble bringing it when we're unable to use it at all. Yep, just before the castle, and there is a no drone sign already, and that is like 100,000 yen. So how much is it? Maybe about 100,000 in Australian dollar, I think. There are so many sakura trees around this castle, so I think it's gonna look super stunning when it's springtime. I think it will look so beautiful if it's snowing right now, but unfortunately still too early for the snow. exciting.
Oh my god, it's so
Maybe they went up there with a window and threw shit up.
My hands feel weird.
What have you?
One last day left to go.
Yeah, look around, left and right, left and right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah,
How do
and
you
look
see
left,
Evie?
look down.
I can see the house. This is epic, dude.
What's epic, dude?
What is epic?
Epic is something that's cool.
No, but what is epic?
But what is epic?
What did you see that was epic?
Oh, it's finished.
Finished? Okay. Alright.
It's turned off.
Okay. Lots and lots of wood. Very, very expensive as well. To drive here. Alright, so what you do is you get the piece of meat, dip it in.
Oh my god, we just walked into a I would say food department, or should I say food haven. No, it's food, a combination of food and dessert. Pretty much like, I don't know, maybe about 30 to 50 store in there that sell a combination of food, dessert, snack, chocolate, biscuit, alcohol, and whatever. And there are so many that I cannot decide which one to buy, but in the end I bought a chestnut cake, which we're gonna try at home. They're not allowed to video in there, so I cannot video anything.